I'm like 19 years old. And they're not even paying that much. I'm just excited, like, oh shit. And all they wanted was a YouTube video of playing and showing off the Crusader class. Now, this management company that I guess was going out trying to hire people to show off the Crusader class hired me and Nick to do a little video. And I did it. And then the day to release the video came up, and then that management company said, hey, Blizzard really doesn't like you. And we fucked up. We're sorry. They don't want to have you do the video, but we already had you make it and we already told you we'd pay you. So here's what we'll do. We'll give you half the money to not release it. And if you do release it, you get nothing. So yeah, I do personally feel like someone at Blizzard really doesn't like me.
How are we doing? Why?
We all know.
You want to leave? We haven't even started skating yet.
They're all looking at your stream. Every single one of the kids.
Yeah, they should follow though. For real, we're been down bad with followers.
Farming you like sheep.
Oh!
Sorry. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Are you okay? Let me land on you, right?
You can re-roll other villages? Too late. Hello, Kirsch. Uh-oh. Fuck! What the fuck? Why did I go so high, dude? My house! Oh, shit.
Whoa, what up, girl? Oh.
Perfect. I'm playing like it's textbook. Oh, no! No!
Is he?
It wasn't me.
Wait, we're equivalent. We're
equivalent.
No!
Jesse, you have to finish. Jesse.
Okay, fine, I will.
Jesse, can you finish?
Oh! Wait. You Google. Wait, you Google.
Smokestack.
I'm not
He is
super
close.
Where's the smokestack? Left or right?
Left.
To the right. Wait.
Turn
what?
left in the middle of the city. Turn left. Yes, turn left.
I thought there's a.
Okay, you should see us in about 100 meters.
Who the fuck is this guy? Who the
Yeah,
fuck is this guy? No way you just did that. No way you just committed.
That's Jesse.
That was me, man!
No way you just did that. Why were you not speaking? What are you doing?
Who was that?
Tail tapped for 1 second.
That wasn't Jesse, right?
Yeah, that was Jesse.
Tail tapped.
No.
No, listen. I ult tapped to literally see where you guys were,
No, you
and
just...
then I
No
problem.
I appreciate the honesty, though.
I mean, I was gonna pay you 300 to be honest.
I'm kind of new to the city and shit too, man. So I feel you.
I'm not new to the city, but I haven't really worked to.
Help! Oh!
Fuck!
Oh!
Oh my god, are you okay, bro?
Oh!
I don't know if I mentioned this, but I like your interior decorating. It really reflects your personality. I mean, I like it.
1, 2, 3. Thanks.
Yeah, we stream on Twitch.
18,300 viewers.
Yeah. Oh man, this is crazy. This is crazy. Yeah, sure. Here. Yeah, we gotta break it up, guys. We gotta break it up. That's me at the top.
We're not fighting lately.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to talk to each other.
There we go.
Y'all know better. Don't talk to strangers.
Exactly.
Even if they are Twitch streamers.
Ah?
볼펜 마술. 볼펜 마술. 짠!
They're really good. Like, that's pace. That's pace. She's fast. But like, to be fair, I'd be horrified. Oh, the toe pick. The toe pick. That's what I'm saying. It just caught, bro. You okay?
My knee.
Oh no, we should wrap it up. We're getting injured. Come on. Let's wrap it up. Oh no.
No.
You're really fast.
I'll follow you.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wait, is everyone ready? Ready, Britt?
Hey, if your mom has Amazon Prime.
No. Oh, this is funny.
We're famous.
Oh, look at you, girl.
I know, look at me.
Oh, did you just wake up? Were you pregnant?
Just 3 weeks. I humped him hard, baby. No protection. Just like usual.
So you humped him and then...
I humped him really good, and he shot his cream inside. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna... Let me just calm down for a second. Let me get into character. I'm so sorry. I forgot this is a luxury ladies' night. Sorry, let me get the dirty mouth out. I'll be right back.